learning when it comes to Rahul and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra's convoy that has now taken a U-turn as now is headed to the parliament. They will now take a call after the 6th of December. What would be the next strategy of the party on whether the convoy will make another attempt to visit Sambhal or not? So for now, as far as today's attempt to visit Sambhal, they couldn't even cross as far as the Delhi-UP borders are concerned. They were stopped, they were blocked there and have now been asked to return. So what we are learning now, that the convoy has now taken a U-turn and is now back in Delhi as they are attempting now to reach to the parliament as the parliament winter session that has been taking place. We have Sabyasachi with us. Sabyasachi, now this was known in a way that what will happen today. As far as Rahul Gandhi, Priyanka Gandhi attempting to visit Sambhal, they were stopped at the borders itself and now have been forced to make a U-turn.
Well, that's right. There were hundreds of people who were stranded at the Meerut-Delhi Expressway. And a lot of dissatisfaction was seen on the people who were stranded out there. They were not happy with how the roads were blocked because of Mr. Rahul Gandhi and his delegation. Now, after several rounds of discussion with the local administration and the police are present on ground, Mr. Rahul Gandhi along with his delegation, that includes Priyanka Gandhi Vadra, they decided that they would now head back towards Parliament, towards national capital. And in fact, the local administration had told the Congress party that they can put across a fresh request to visit Sambhal, and after 6th it can be taken into consideration and a date can be decided. Rahul Gandhi, along with the other member of parliament from the Congress party, can visit Sambhal or not. See, today Rahul Gandhi, who was stranded at the Meerut Expressway for quite some time, he in fact requested the UP police and the local administration that he along with the UP police should be allowed to visit Sambhal, and he would not take the other member of parliament with him.
All right,
but
so
that
we still don't know exactly what happens
denied.
next as far as the Congress party and its strategy is concerned. Pradeep Datta, who saw it with his own eyes as far as the situation that has been unfolding at the Ghazipur border there. Pradeep, of course, Rahul Gandhi came, he spoke to the people. Karyakartas have been camping at the site since the morning. However, it was known that they will not be allowed to cross the border.
Yes, one thing was quite clear, because already prohibitory orders had been put in place, because their local delegation was not allowed. The law and rules can't be different for Rahul Gandhi. When there are prohibitory orders, that means anybody, whosoever is coming from outside, will not be allowed. So Rahul Gandhi too was not allowed. He knew about this thing, but it was basically about everybody trying to get the political mileage out of this Sambhal violence, and it was more for the optics than really making an attempt to come out to that place. The reason being that he also knew that he will not be allowed. Since morning the barricading had been done, because of which lot many commuters also faced lot many problems, because there was a traffic jam for about 2 to 3 hours. Now once again the vehicular traffic has started moving, but Rahul Gandhi was here for about 2 hours. He was stranded. In the meantime, he spoke to the Director General of Police also. He was accompanied by Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. Both of them were sitting inside their vehicle only for a short moment for photo op. They just came out, and then later on they gave a small soundbite to the media persons. He said that they are trying to save Constitution. As usual, he was holding that copy of the Constitution in his hand. And later on, Priyanka Gandhi also tried to hit out at the Yogi government. She said that on one hand, they make it all claims about law and order situation really improving. So they can't even allow a person to visit for healing touch to be provided to the family members. So what kind of a law and order situation they are talking about? That's what Priyanka Gandhi said. And she finally sat inside the vehicle. And it was only after they were given assurance that after 6 they can put on request and then they will be allowed to visit.
So blaming the administration there in Uttar Pradesh, saying that the law and order, which is being questioned both by Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra today, as yet another delegation on part of the Congress party today was stopped from entering Uttar Pradesh, leave alone even reaching Sambhal. Remains to be seen what their next strategy would be, but this is what Rahul Gandhi said today.
नमस्कार, हम संभल जाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं। पुलिस मना कर रही है, अलाउ नहीं कर रही है। एज एलओपी मेरा अधिकार बनता है कि मैं जा सकता हूं, मगर तब भी वो मुझे रोक रहे हैं। मैंने कहा है कि मैं अकेला जाने को तैयार हूं, पुलिस के साथ जाने को तैयार हूं, मगर उन्होंने वो भी बात एक्सेप्ट नहीं की और अब कह रहे हैं कि कुछ दिनों में अगर हम वापस आएंगे तो फिर वो हमें जाने देंगे। ये एक्चुअली जो एलओपी के अधिकार हैं उसके खिलाफ है। मुझे अलाउ करना चाहिए। कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन है ना, ये कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन के खिलाफ है। हम सिर्फ संभल जाना चाहते हैं, देखना चाहते हैं वहाँ क्या हुआ, लोगों से मिलना चाहते हैं। मगर हमारा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अधिकार है, मेरा जो कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अधिकार है, उसको मुझे दिया नहीं जा रहा है। तो यही है, नया हिंदुस्तान है, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को खत्म करने का हिंदुस्तान है, अंबेडकर जी के कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन को खत्म करने का हिंदुस्तान है। अगर हम लड़ते रहेंगे। धन्यवाद।